Okay, so I went into a client's Gmail and a Google Workspace account that we just set up, and it wasn't sending. And I noticed that when I was in the Gmail account, that it wasn't, the MX records weren't set up. So I had to go into, I had to log into their Bluehost account. So it brought me through it, right? So I'm going to go back one step. So it said to me, I need to do this. So in order to activate the email in Google Workspace, I had to sign into Bluehost, which I did. As you can see up here, I logged in under his account, and under your domain on Bluehost, manage DNS, and then come back here, right? So that's what I had to do. So what I did was, and this is about activating email. I went into Bluehost domains, and then I went into manage domains. So it's like my domains and then manage domains, and I went into DNS here. So when you click on domains inside of Bluehost, went to the DNS, I just scroll down to the MX records, and I want to show you something. So this is an old record that was there, and the DNS was actually pointing to an old system, like an old, it's probably to Bluehost, thinking, okay, you're going to use our email, but we're actually using Google Workspace. So since that was in there already, I have to go ahead and delete it. I have to remove it, right? So it can't be undone. That's really scary, but I'm going to confirm that, and I'm going to delete it. And all I did was, I want to show you something. So it says, then this would have been empty. But what I did is I went to add record one at a time. And if you can see in Gmail, it gave me the instructions of what I need to do. So in those instructions that I showed you earlier in the video, it showed me it's number one, and then the @ slide, and then this, whatever that is, and then I choose the fewest amount of hours. When you go into TTL, whatever the fewest amount of hours are, that's what you choose. That's what I choose. But you'll see I set it up. I did number one, @ so it's just priority number one. Then you put the @ sign in here. And then I pasted this into this field, and then I chose 4 hours. And I actually did that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So after I pressed save, I went in to add a record again, and then again and again. So under MX record, after you, I'm going to press cancel because I already did it. But once it's done saving, it shows you add a record again. So you just click add a record again and enter the next one, and then press save, and then enter the next one and press save. So hopefully that makes sense. These were the instructions. It said fill in this number in the first field, this @ sign, then this points to, and then I chose 4 hours in each one, and then I press send. And then at the end of this, it just it tells you to go ahead and activate it. So you go back and forth from Bluehost to your email system, and it walks you through the activation. I hope this makes sense, and if not, we'll help you with it. Just go to revellana.com to the services page, and let us help you with this as if it's making you go nuts. So I want to show you just in case you get lost. So then I went back to their Workspace account, and I went into the admin panel, which there, you go right there, and you click here, you go down to the admin panel, it brings you here, right? Then you go into domains. So you want to just go into domains here, and then manage domains. And then I already did it here, right? So now I need to activate, since I entered all of those MX records, now I have to, and I already did that. So you'll see when you go to set up MX records and hit next, that's where it shows you all of the MX records that you need to set up, but I already did. So it just successfully activated the account. But that's where you get the step-by-step, like what numbers and whatever do I need to put in which fields. It walks you through it, you activate it, and then you're done. Thanks. Hope you appreciate the video.